Namaste everyone. Today we are going to do a beautiful yoga flow. All you need is your mat and let's get started. We'll start while lying down. Let's lie down on our back. Let's lie down in Shavasana, hands, palms facing up towards the sky. Loosen up your body. Let's take a normal long deep breath in and exhale. Again, let's take a normal long deep breath in and let go of all the efforts. Loosen up your shoulders, your arms, your spine, your legs. Be aware of your whole body relaxing more and more. Let's gently open our eyes. With a beautiful smile, bring your right leg close to your nose, Ardha Pavan Muktasana. See if you can touch your nose to your knee. While you are in the pose, take long deep breaths. Try to hold the asana for at least 3 to 4 long deep breaths. You can gently take your head back. Now from here itself, start with your toe rotations. You can gently rotate your toe. Other side. And let's relax. Let's take our left leg now. Take your left knee to your nose. Pull as much as you can. Hold your body, squeeze your body. Hold for at least 3 to 4 deep breaths. And gently relax. Let go. Again, we will do our toe rotations. Forward and back, left to right, rotate your toes. Keep them mobile. It's a beautiful morning. And let's relax. Now from here itself, let's squeeze. Let's come into Pavan Muktasana. Squeeze your body, take your nose to between both the knees. Hold. And gently release. Whenever you're holding a pose, Try to see that you are relaxing your breath more and more deep within the pose. And from here itself, let's make a 4 and let's pull our leg. Let's open up our hip region. You can keep your right leg on your left leg, left knee, hold, make a 4 and pull it towards you. Do as much as you can. Hold each and every pose for at least 3 to 4 deep breaths. And gently relax. Let's do it on the other side now. Keep your left leg on your right knee and pull it towards you. You'll feel a beautiful stretch on your left side, on your left hip. Try to relax that pain with your breath. Keep your focus on your breath. And gently inhale. Let's come back. Now let's get ready for Supta Natarajasana. Let's do it on the right side, left side, right leg. Turn it towards your left. Look towards the right. Just see if your shoulder is coming up or it's getting off the ground. Push it down. Let's gently hold. You can even close your eyes. Feel the asana, feel the stretch. Take 3 to 4 long deep breaths. Let your body go deep into the asana. And let's gently inhale. Let's come back. Let's do it from the other side. Take your left leg. Keep it on the right knee. Turn it towards your right. And look towards the left. Keep your shoulders on the ground, in touch with the ground. And twist as much as you can. Let's inhale. Let's come back to the center. Now let's inhale and let's turn towards the right side. With the help of your hand, you may get up. Now let's come in the cat and cow. Your shoulders over your hands, your hips over your knees. Let's gently take the position, comfortable. Are you guys comfortable? Yeah, let's start. Inhale, look up. Feel the stretch in your spine. And exhale, look inside. Now let's start the gentle movements up and down. Whenever you expand, you inhale, you look up. As you exhale, you look inside and hunch your back. Feel the stretch. Keep moving your body in and out. And let's hold here for 3 to 4 long deep breaths. Keep yourself comfortable. Take long deep breaths. And if you're not comfortable in the pose, in any pose, try to make yourself comfortable. Try to relax your whole body with your breath. Absorbing that tension from your breath. Now let's gently exhale, look inside, hunch your back, push your spine like a cat. Hold for 3 to 4 long deep breaths. Feel each and every pose. And gently come back. Let's stretch our shoulders. Take your body forward. Hold. And let's gently come back. Let's open our knees. Let's feel the stretch in our hip region, in our glutes. You can either keep your hands here or you can keep your chest down. And gently come up. Whenever you're in the pose, do not forget to breathe, to keep your attention to your breath. And last pose, let's take our left leg forward. Let's come in pigeon pose. Keep your spine straight. Keep pushing your pelvic region down on the floor. You can open up your leg even more if you want. And let's push it down. Take long deep breaths. Hold, feel, stretch. And this beautiful morning, and let's gently inhale. Let's come back. Let's take our right leg forward, left leg back. From the other side, keep your spine straight. You can either keep your hands here or on the floor. Keep stretching. Keep that beautiful smile on your face. Take 3 to 4 long deep breaths. Hold each and every pose. And let's gently come back in Sukhasana. So this was our beautiful morning flow. See if you can take out time for yourself for 10 minutes in the morning. After you do this flow, just for 10 minutes, see that will energize you. It will bring some positive change in your day. And then you can decide the whole day. You can plan your things when your body is ready for it. Yeah? So we are good to go for the day. Namaste.